Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Royal Enfield is all set for the 2023 season of the Motoverse. The Motoverse 2023 festival will be packed with fun and adventure. The bikemaker will organize the Motoverse 2023 at Vagator, Goa from November 24th to 26th, 2023. A still from Royal Enfield Motoverse. About Royal Enfield Motoverse. The renowned bike manufacturer, Royal Enfield, introduced the 12th edition of the Motoverse last year. The vision of the Motoverse is to promote fresh pop culture, providing a thrilling introduction to the dynamic moto culture universe. Motoverse provides a platform to enthusiasts for indulging in the motorcycling universe. Moreover, it is expected to provide an immersive experience with its music, art, heritage, inspiration, and motorcycling lifestyle. History of Royal Enfield rider mania. Over 10 years ago, a passionate community of Royal Enfield enthusiasts arrived in Goa to celebrate the thump that binds. Since then, the Rider Mania event has emerged as the largest assembly of Royal Enfield riders worldwide. The Rider Mania is not just a gathering, it is a celebration that unites the passionate enthusiasts of Royal Enfield motorcycles. It has become an event that showcases the spirit and exhilaration in the world of motorcycling on a large scale. Moto Thrill is a hub of heart-pumping, adrenaline-fueled action of motorcycling. This event will provide a thrilling experience with a wide range of exciting activities. Moreover, it will include dirt track racing, slide school, trials, and intense competitions-like activities. It is a place to showcase your skills, test your limits, and push yourself to new heights. Motoville is a destination for those who truly accept the motorcycling way of life. It is a place where you can immerse yourself in everything that motorcycling represents and discover its vibrant culture. Furthermore, it will offer a space that respects the spirit of adventure, individuality, and motorcycling passion. Motosonic. The Motosonic will be a perfect combination of motorcycling and music, which represents the connection between these two art forms. It will be a thrilling 3-day music concert packed with exciting performances in the vibrant Motocity. Moreover, it will ensure to provide an unforgettable experience that represents the combination of motorcycling and musical power. Moto Reels. The Moto Reel is a platform that brings individuals from all walks of life together. It doesn't matter whether they are riders or non-riders. On this platform, individuals and enthusiasts can share their riding experiences and inspirational journeys. In Moto Reel, one can be a part of this platform where stories come alive and the spirit of adventure is celebrated. Thanks for watching. Credits to Motoroids.com. Please subscribe Autocar India for more updates.